I will give you a tool for bargaining. It's called as a broken record. The broken record says, whatever the shopkeeper says, you say the same word and sentence again and again. You see the old gramophone records? When they used to crack in one place, what used to happen? It would keep on saying the same sound again and again. It used to keep on playing the same music or song again and again. Exactly like that. If you go to the shopkeeper and he says 6,000 and you want to only pay 3,000, you will say, I will pay only 3,000. He says 5,000 I'll pay. I'll give it to you for 5,000. He says, no, only I'll pay 3,000. He says, only for you I'll give it at 4,000. No, I'll only pay 3,000. So a brain has got a capacity to take 7 times maximum. After that, your capacity breaks. That's how interesting this broken record is. Use it wherever possible. How many of you have wonderful savings in terms of cash and in terms of asset creation? Now, many of you become uncomfortable with the topic of saving itself. Now you ask yourself, all these years you have been working and making a lot of money, where has money disappeared? It's like you have a huge hole in the hand, money comes in and disappears. Please understand, it is not the money that you earn which is important, it is the money which you save which is important. If many people say, you know, I earn about 100,000 rupees a month, but I spend 120,000 rupees, it's absolute foolishness. The foundation of our money life depends on saving. Now, if all of you know that saving is good, then why is your savings bad? Ask yourself. Shocking, right? The savings are bad because you don't have an implementable system in place. You think a lot about saving, but what is the use of thinking when the reality is altogether different? I will teach you a very simple system of saving and don't even question about it. Just do blindly and meet me after a couple of years. You will be damn happy because not that you would have learnt about saving, but your passbook will reflect the saving. Isn't it nice? I'm sure you are interested. System is very simple. You have to follow it absolutely blindly. Don't even use your limited intelligence in it. Every time you get money into your life, either through work or through business, blindly first take 15% of it and keep it aside. 15% of it keep it aside in a savings account or in some account which is safe, untouched money. Now I'll ask, what happens because of this? Because of this, what happens? Every month when you do it, this money which you have kept aside starts increasing. And as this money increases, you also open up yourself in confidence because when you look back, there is money saved. And whenever that happens, the power of your own multiplies. And this money is also multiplying. And like they say, money attracts money. It's true in this case. Money attracts money. And here, don't even use your intelligence. That's what I told you. Follow the system in toto and keep laughing all the way to your bank. Your passbook will reflect the reality of your saving. Thus, next time money goes through your hand, follow the 3 principles. Spend consciously, have great joy in spending, and yes, have a very, very healthy saving. Thank you.
If you want to become rich and prosperous, do connect with us. It's the Money Workshop, postbox number 194, GPO, Pune 1.
Do email us at info@themoneyworkshop.com. Check out our website www.themoneyworkshop.com. You could also read the bestseller I Love Money by Mr. Suresh Padmanabhan, available at leading bookstores.
Ni zari ma 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 ri ri ba ri ba.